Hi, this is Dr. Chisenhall, and welcome to CIS 108 Week 2. I hope you had a wonderful first week of the semester. I enjoyed reading your discussion boards. I saw a few familiar faces and made lots of new friends as well. So I look forward to getting to know you a little better during our Zoom meeting this week and during our discussion boards and as we progress throughout the semester. So I will look over your assignments, your discussion board, and your blog that you submitted last week, and I will have those graded over the next few days. So this week, our focus is on how teachers can use technology to be more efficient and more effective. So we're going to look at some really awesome tools that teachers can use to help them be more organized and to help them communicate more effectively. So this week, please review the week 2 readings and resources that are right here. There's some videos about the basics of how a computer works. If you're not familiar with that, you might want to go ahead and take a look over those. And then as you scroll through here, you see more resources that directly are related to how teachers can be organized and how they can communicate. So I've already clicked on this one just so you don't have to wait for me while it loads. This article is 10 free apps and tools for starting out and staying organized. So some of these apps you might already have and use, such as Pinterest or Participate, Paper 53, Voxer, Google Classroom, Seesaw. I know a lot of K-12 or elementary school classrooms are using that. Pocket, Twitter List, 3030, the app for the state standards. I know when my son was in first grade last year and the school switched to remote learning, his teacher used a program called Padlet, and she was able to organize social studies, science, math, reading, language arts into the different areas on Padlet. So as a parent, I could see everything all together, but I was able to click on his work for each area separately. It was very organized. The next link here says 10 organization apps to help busy teachers stay sane. So if we scroll through this, you might see apps such as Jotform, Asana, Who's Reading, MindMeister, Class Dojo. That's another one like Seesaw you see a lot of elementary schools using, and you can just scroll through and go through these. So some of these apps you may already be familiar with or may be using, or maybe through your observations or your own K-12 children that you have in your own life. Maybe you know of some other awesome tools and apps that teachers are using to communicate and stay organized. If so, we would love to hear about them. There's some additional resources that are here for you as well. And if you scroll down, you see your 2 assignments for this week. So your first assignment is the week 2 discussion board. Please select 2 of these questions to answer, at least 2 of these questions. How can teachers use technology to be more effective and efficient? What are the advantages of using technology to improve organization and communication? And what tool would you like to select for the technology tool for organization communication assignment? So that's your second assignment you're going to be completing this week. Please select a tool that has not been selected by a classmate. So if all possible, I would like everyone in the class to showcase a different tool. So here is the assignment description for the technology tool, and I've already downloaded it again so you don't have to wait. For this assignment, you're going to explore some of these additional links and resources that contain apps and technology tools that teachers can use to be organized and to communicate effectively. After you've done that, on a Google Doc, please write the name of the tool you selected, an image or screenshot that represents the tool you selected, so like that tool's logo is fine, a description of the tool, what it does, how it works, is it free, is there a cost, what are the pros and cons, include the link to the tool's website, and then classify if this tool is a tool for organizing or for communicating or both. And then in a written paragraph, provide your rationale for selecting this particular tool and discuss how this tool will help facilitate teacher organization or collaboration. And there you see the rubric. So what I would like you to do for this assignment is to create it as a Google Doc. So if you go over to My DTCC and click on Resources, if you scroll down under Technology, you see Google Drive. You can click on New, click on Google Doc, and then a new Google Doc will come up. It's just like typing in Word. So let's say that I selected Class Dojo for my tool. I would write Class Dojo. I would include a picture of it, the name, all those things in the description. Then what I would do is come over here to Share. Once I was done, you can put Class Dojo as the title, or your tool's name as the title, or your name, whatever. Hit Save, and now I want the link so I can share it. But right here it says restricted. Only people added can open this link. We want to change this. So we're going to hit change, and we're going to say that anyone with the link, so people on the web can't randomly find this. You have to have the link, so it's still safe in a private document. But anyone with the link can find it. We want to hit copy link and done. Okay, so then what you're going to do is, once this document's all done, go over here to our module 2, and then right here I want you to post the link to your tool. Please write a couple sentences. It doesn't have to be long, but just write a couple sentences that says maybe the name of the tool you selected and why, and then paste the link to your tool there. Now, I'm not requiring you to comment on anyone's, but I think this is a great opportunity for you to share with each other the tools that you select and find. You probably are going to find some tools, or see your friends have some tools that you would like to save for your own classroom. You might even want to keep a running document where when you see tools in this class or apps that you think are awesome, you copy and paste the website into a document that you are keeping for yourself for your future or current classroom, so that you have an awesome document of resources that you can use in your current or future classroom. So again, your assignments for this week: to go over this week's resources, complete this week's discussion board, post your response by midnight on Wednesday, and your reply to 2 classmates by midnight on Sunday. Then research one of the tools following these descriptions that are outlined here. Type that into a Google document, and then post the link to your Google document here. And just like I showed you, make sure that you change the privacy setting so that we can see it. If you do not change the privacy setting, I will not be able to see your document when I click on it, which I can't grade it if I can't see it. So please make sure you change that privacy setting. Also, I will be offering a Zoom this week, Wednesday at 1 p.m. If you can join us, that would be awesome, and I will be able to get to know you a little better, answer any questions you may have, and discuss your upcoming assignments. If you aren't able to join us live, don't worry, I will record it, and I will post the video for you to be able to see when you are able. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I hope you have an awesome week 2 of the semester, and I will see you on Wednesday. Take care.